Hi, and welcome to PHOTOPLAY PAPER. Today I get to introduce the Inflation Nation collection designed by Becky Moore. This collection is a little bit snarky, a little bit funny, and a whole lot of capturing of what's happening in today's world. As scrapbookers, that's what we do. PHOTOPLAY has done a great job of capturing what happened during the pandemic. We also wanted to do a small collection that just captures a little bit of what's going on with the inflation rates right now in the United States. Let's take a look at each of the papers in this collection. The first paper is called Groceries, and it has lots of cut-aparts that you can use in your scrapbooking or to send cards. Love this background paper as well. It talks a little bit about groceries, about gas, about lumber prices, just to take a snapshot in time of what is happening right now. And that is what we do as scrapbookers. This paper is called Expenses, with a lot of fun icons. I love the arrow paper. This paper is called Going Up. This paper is called Budget Buster. The savings paper includes the money and this great ledger paper on the back. The last paper in this collection is called Gas Prices. The Element sticker sheet includes lots of areas for you to put your gas prices, rent prices, airfare, coffee, just as a snapshot in time. It also includes some 12-inch borders, some tags, lots of icons for food and gas and travel. Inflation Nation also includes an ephemera pack, which includes 30 different icons, as well as frames, tabs, tags, and more. This collection is perfect for capturing just that snapshot in time of what's happening in the real world today. We hope you enjoy Inflation Nation and take a moment to capture all of the prices in your area during this time. There's lots of papers and stickers and ephemera to be able to help you do that. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we appreciate you stopping by PHOTOPLAY Paper.